Welcome, everyone. Today, we will explore the fascinating concept of time-limited promise functions in JavaScript. Have you ever encountered situations where asynchronous operations took too long to complete, causing delays in your code execution? Fear not, as we will demystify the solution to this problem. Let's dive right in. Imagine you have a JavaScript function that performs an asynchronous task, such as fetching data from a server or performing complex calculations. However, you want to set a time limit for this function's execution to prevent it from taking too much time. How can we achieve this? Meet the time limit function. It takes two parameters, the original asynchronous function and the desired time limit in milliseconds. Inside the time limit function, we define a new function using the async keyword, indicating that it's an asynchronous function. This allows us to use the await keyword within it. Now, we can control the execution time using a combination of setTimeout and promise. Let's see how it works. Inside the time-limited function, we create a new promise that wraps the execution of the original asynchronous function. If the execution of the function completes within the specified time limit, the promise resolves with the result. However, if the time limit is exceeded, the promise rejects with the message time limit exceeded. With this implementation, we can easily apply time limits to any asynchronous function, ensuring that they complete within the desired timeframe. And that's it. By using the time limit function, you can effectively manage the execution time of your asynchronous functions, preventing delays and timeouts. It's a powerful tool to have in your JavaScript arsenal. I hope you found this journey into time-limited promise functions enlightening. Remember, controlling execution times is essential for optimizing performance and delivering smooth user experiences. Happy coding!